Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud storage with Google Drive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive account. Navigate to the storage settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, you'll see your current storage usage and capacity. Look for the Manage Storage option. Click on it to view detailed storage information. Identify large files or folders that you may no longer need. Use the search bar to filter files by size. Delete any files that you do not need anymore. For large files that you want to keep, consider compressing them. Use tools like Google's built-in zip feature or third-party compression software. Next, check your Google Photos settings. Ensure that your photos are being backed up in high quality instead of original quality. This can significantly reduce the amount of storage used. If you're using Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, remember that these files do not count against your storage limit. Consider converting large documents into these formats if possible. Another option is to share files instead of sending copies. By sharing, you can reduce redundancy and save space. If you find yourself running out of storage frequently, consider upgrading your plan. Check Google's pricing for additional storage options that fit your needs. Take advantage of promotional offers if available. Lastly, regularly review your Google Drive to keep unnecessary files to a minimum. This will help you stay organized and save on storage costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.